Hi, everyone. I'm really excited to talk to you today about something that might seem small at first, but once you understand it, it can completely change the way your digital paintings feel. That thing is toning. Now, when I say tone, I'm not talking about color yet, not exactly. I'm talking about value, how light or dark something is. Tone is all about contrast, depth, mood, and structure. It's the thing that makes your artwork readable at a glance, even before the colors come in. And yes, it's also what stops your painting from looking flat or confusing. So, let's start with this. Tone is the backbone of your composition. You can have the most beautiful palette in the world, but if your tones aren't clear, people will struggle to understand what they're looking at. That's why many times digital artists begin with a black and white version of their piece, just working in grayscale. This helps you focus purely on the values. Where's the light hitting? Where are the darkest shadows? Which shapes are standing out and which are fading into the background? It's like sculpting with light. Now here's a cool trick. If you ever want to test how strong your tones are, just take your image and desaturate it, remove all the color. If your image still reads clearly, if your forms still have impact and clarity, congratulations. Your tones are working. So, why does this matter so much in digital painting specifically? Well, because digital tools give us infinite freedom, and that can actually be a trap. We have so many brushes, layers, and effects that we might jump straight into color or texture before the structure is solid. And that's when paintings start to feel muddy or messy. But toning grounds us. It's that step where we say, let's get the lighting right. Let's lead the eye through contrast. Let's tell a story through shadows and light. A painting with good tone can make a viewer feel tension, calm, drama, or mystery, even if it's just a rough sketch. That's the power of tonal control. And here's the really encouraging part. It's a skill anyone can practice. You can take photos or movie stills and convert them to black and white, study the tones. You can do small value studies, tiny sketches just focusing on light and dark. And over time, your eye gets sharper. You'll start seeing tone in everything. So, the next time you open your drawing app and feel tempted to dive right into bright colors, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, where's the light coming from? What's the mood? Can I tell this story in black and white first? Mastering tone might not seem flashy at first, but it's the foundation of every strong, compelling image. It's what makes your work not just look good, but feel real. Thanks so much for watching and happy painting.